Hi, hello, welcome my dear well wishers to my channel. So today, as I said, we are going to study objectives of management. It's for 8 marks, and under objectives of management, please draw like this in column, or else you can understand it. Okay. So organize organizational objectives. Under that, you will be getting survival, growth, and profit. Next, that social objectives: protecting environment, providing basic amenities, giving employment. Personal objectives: satisfying social needs, satisfying financial needs, satisfying higher level needs of employee. So this is all basically meant for the business or the management. Under organizational objectives, survival, growth, and profit is the major important section of the business. So let's go under survival. So organization objectives: the main objectives any organization is to utilize human and material sources to the maximum to fulfill the economic objective of business they are. So it means the explanation of organization objectives, that the aim of objectives or any organization is to utilize. You should properly utilize the time with expected time, everything. So now we'll be going under survival. So survival management must work hard to ensure that survival of the organization by earning sufficient income to cover its cost. So if you people start in business, if you invest in 100 rupees, so your thought process should be not getting only 100 rupees. Your thought process should be getting over. If you invest 100, you should be getting at least 105 rupees. That's the survival of your business. Without, if you invest 100 rupees and you will get only 90 rupees, means you can't survive in that business. Okay, that's what the answer meant. So I have made it short. Please make a note. 8 mark question it is. Growth. For existence of business organization for a long period, the management explore all its prospects of growth and development. What do you people all mean by this? See, growth means not only the earning or profit making. Everyone should be recognizing your business or your shop. They should say, right? That's meant the growth. They should recognize you. Okay. So management explore all its prospects of growth and development. They will give their whole hard work, okay, by giving the discounts. However, getting the customer to make their business growth. That's what the growth meant. And profit. Profit survival is not enough for the business. Management ensures that the organization make sufficient profit. That's what I said you in survival only. Survival is not just enough. You should be, see, that's what I said. If you're investing in 100 and you're getting a return in 90, it's not a business is itself, it is not called. So if you get, at least if you are investing in 100 and you're getting 105, it's then called profit. So moving on to the next topic under the management objectives of management. Now it's social objectives. Every organization is a part of society, whether it is a business or non-business unit. That's what. See, if you're part of a shop business, a big unit of business or small unit like retail shop, tailor, whatever it is, you are a part of a businessman. Okay, and there will be certain obligation towards the society. So under that, protecting the environment, first one, using environment friendly. So under, if you see in many business, they will be releasing their chemical outwards to the air, so that cause to the human beings, so that you should use environment friendly. That's what the answer say. Next is giving employment opportunity to the society. So everyone should get employment opportunity in this society. If the unemployment exists for everyone, then the economic scale will be too hard on human beings. So that's why everyone should get some minimum or basic employment opportunity to their satisfaction of their wants. Okay, so moving on to the third part of the same question, social objectives. Providing basic amenities, schools and hospitals. So schools are the basic thing nowadays. At least people should be graduate at least with 10th, right? Schools are basic amenities of our life, and hospitals is very important amenity in our life. Amenity means the important thing in our human resources. It is compulsorily needed thing, it is. Okay, moving on to the personal objectives. It is important to satisfy the needs of employees by getting their support in achieving the organization objectives. So a management alone cannot do the all work, because each individual persons will be having their own talent. Some may be in singer, good singer, some may be good dancer. So they'll be having different types of ideas. That's what the this answer is say. It is an important to satisfy the needs of employees, because if you appreciate them, then the employee will recognize you. Oh yeah, I should work hard more, so that the company should recognize, they should promote, they should post me. So for that's why employees, by getting their support, without an employee support a business cannot achieve. So support in achieving the organization objects means tasks. So first one on this personal objectives, satisfying the financial needs of employees means financial needs of employee, what they would be requiring, salary, good salary, so that they can get their wants, right? I think you people will be knowing wants are unlimited, but the resources are limited with relation to the alternative uses, right? So that's why if you provide a good salary, they will be working hard to achieve the goal. So that you should provide good salary. In good salary also, You can add it like bonus, for example, if you need bonus. So every company gives to employee the bonus, certain amount of bonus, right? Next one, satisfying the social needs of employee, like recognizing in the organization. That's why social needs means what? The strangers should see you. Yeah, I have worked in that strangers should see that company is very good company. So that's what this answer is saying, like recognizing in the organization, in an environment. If I say particular this company, they should be knowing, yeah, this company is specialized in this topic, like that. Satisfying higher level of needs in employees by creating opportunities for their personal growth. So satisfying higher level of needs means employees also needs higher level, means like promotions, right? By creating opportunities, if they work hard, then management gives the opportunities to grow of their personal needs. Okay, that's all. And another one is importance of management, 2 marks it is, and you can write three of them. Management helps in achieving group goals. Management increases efficiency. Management helps in development of society. So this is levels of management, practical oriented question for 5 marks. Diagram showing levels of management. Okay. So management will be under 3 topics, right? 3 types also. Top management, middle management, operational management. In top management, we will be having board of directors, managing director, chairman, president, chief executive officers, general manager, chief finance officer, vice president. And in middle management, we'll be having production manager, purchase manager, sales manager. So this is different department of the employee where they will be working under operational management or middle management or top management according to their qualifications, or the company appoints them. So under middle management, I have explained operational management, supervisor. So supervisors are under operational management. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video we'll be discussing of management of art and science and profession, right? So next topic we'll be discussing management is art, science and profession. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, well wishers. We'll be learning in the next topic, next video. Thank you so much for watching.